So I also want to jump into another question here, and I want to make sure I get this exactly right, so pardon my glance down. But President Biden here in the U.S. approval rating has recently surged as he has made good on several campaign promises, such as relating to climate change, as well as student loan forgiveness. In the name of transparency, what promises should the public hold you accountable for against the next 4 years if they were to want to vote for you for re-election?
Now you're talking about 4 years, so it's not day one.
Yeah.
I'm going to make sure that everything I promise is tackled simultaneously.
Okay.
And the promise is that, again, is insecurity, dealing with the issue of rule of law and order, since the government, bring stability in the polity, uniting the country, ensuring that it is transparent and visible good governance, fighting areas of corruption, which will be visible and transparent, and people will see it. Cutting the cost of governance, investing in human capital development, and ensuring that critical areas of infrastructure, like power, it seemed to be tackled.
Okay.
And this, I've said, people will see, whatever we're doing will be visible, it will be measurable, people can see it.
And I think that's very important for it to be visible and measurable. So that's something that we can look forward to. So thank you. That's great to know.
NoireTV, showing on Verizon Fios channel 269, Optimum channel 1100, and on Digicel. Or on our website www.noiretv.com, or download the app from the App Store or Play Store.